Civil 3D enables an integrated workflow for designing and analyzing storm drainage systems, powered by info drainage. Civil 3D 2027 continues to enhance these workflows with expanded capabilities added to design elements such as channels and catchments. For channels, you now have support for multiple slopes within a single channel. The channel baseline can also be defined by either an alignment in profile or by a feature line. This gives you greater flexibility when performing channel design. Catchments have also been enhanced in Civil 3D 2027. Users now have support for FAA and Kirpich time of concentration methods. These feature enhancements help to streamline your stormwater design.